Okay, upstairs. Anybody want to speak? Yeah.
We have to narrow down our roles for some specific.
We have to do what?
Then we have to narrow down our roles for specific goals.
Yes.
For us.
So aspiration को inspiration करके aspiration को define करना है कि मेरी aspiration क्या है, right? उसको focus करते जाना है, right? So that वो energy ले और वो achieve करेगा. वैरायटी हो सकती है, लेकिन मेरा टारगेट क्या है? जैसे मैंने यूपीएससी में ध्यान दिया, लेकिन आईपीएस चाहिए मुझे. ये नहीं यूपीएससी कोई भी आ जाए, ये नहीं. आईपीएस प्रेफरेंस फर्स्ट. तो मेरा टारगेट मिला, भगवान ने दे दिया. वो होता है, सेकंड प्रेफरेंस, थर्ड प्रेफरेंस भी होती है. ये नहीं कि वो नहीं होती है, लेकिन मेरी फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस की तैयारी. That's my target. Therefore, all my energy goes into achieving that, and you achieve because your energy is focused there.
Sense of responsibility towards our nation.
Yes. Yes. And you begin with where you live. Wherever you are, begin with that. ये नहीं यहाँ नहीं. अब मैं कल गुवाहाटी जाऊँगा वहाँ शुरू करूँगा. ये नहीं. जहाँ पर भी मैं हूँ, मैं वहाँ से शुरू करूँ. जो मुझे मिलता है, नजदीक से नजदीक, जब मैं पॉसिबल कर सकूँ या जरूरतमंद. सेवा भाव डालना है. सेवा कैसे करनी से? अरे घर से भी शुरू हो सकती है. ये सेवा भाव अपने घर से भी हो सकती है. Being a good boy itself is seva. Not being a very bright boy, but a good boy. And being not a good girl, brave girl. बड़ा फर्क पड़ता है. ठीक है? शाबाश. बड़ा फर्क पड़ गया. एकदम फर्क पड़ गया. फर्क नहीं आप. गलती हो गई.
Ma'am, yeah, Jan Pandey, ma'am, first year UWSB. Ma'am, what I learned, concluding it on, bringing out a Sanskrit श्लोक, जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी. माता और जन्मभूमि दोनों का स्थान स्वर्ग से ऊपर होता है. A woman has brought you into this world and you have no right to disrespect it. What you said, we have to respect women, give them the due respect that they command.
स्पिरिचुअल आर्ट. मॉर्निंग आर्ट में क्या नाम दे? ढूंढ लो. क्या नाम? हाँ? स्पिरिचुअल आर्ट. एक तो ये और कुछ. गुरुकुल आर्ट. गुरुकुल आर्ट. और एनी अदर? हाँ? बोलो ना. सेल्फ वेयर. ये बड़ा टेक्स्ट है. ये लोग कहेंगे सेल्फ वेयर क्या है? Anyway, I think you can make a choice. Self wear is one word. Gurukul art is another, spiritual art is another. I think it's a great option you can have. All right? Beautiful. Yes, sir.
Rather than criticizing others, it's more in our hands to change our country or change the progress of the country. You know.
Absolutely. Just itch your wagon with the future of your country. Itch your wagon. मेरा काम चलेगा तो मेरा देश का काम चलेगा. अब देश का काम चलेगा तो मेरा काम चलेगा. अब मुझे ऐसा कोई काम नहीं करना जो मेरे देश के लिए डिस्ट्रक्टिव हो. 100% करेक्टिव होना है. Right? So I am a builder of my nation, just as the nation is my builder. Right? And not I am a collapser of my country and country will collapse me. No, it's the other way around. Right? Nation builders. Come with you.
Hi ma'am, my name is Aniket Shettigar, first year United World School of Business. What I feel is that we should aspire to perspire, but it should not be like, a very hard-working kind of a thing. You should be smart, you should do more of a smart work than hard work. Maybe that is the proper way to success.
Right. Yeah, you can perspire with an umbrella on your head also. So smart way of perspiring and yet not getting tanned away. You can, that's all what will train you. This is what self-care will be, right? This is what self-care will teach you. Any other? Yeah. So have you got the answers to your question? Did you get the answers to your question? Please go ahead.
I was about to speak to you on that. First of all, I would like to thank you for providing us with a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to interact with a legendary figure like you. And the IAP EPRI which you have showed, I promise that I'll work on that.
Lovely.
And hopefully I'll be successful as well and happy.
You will be, not hopefully, you will be.
Yeah, I'm quite confident I will be.
Lovely, I'm so great.
Thank you.
So very happy.
I am Shruti Patro from management, and I actually I am from basically West Bengal, and beside my home I actually there is a pre-coaching center, and I taught there for 3 years free of cost to the poor people. And also I want to say that there is an organization Akhil Bharat Vivekananda Yuva Mandal, and that is there are more than 250 branches all over the India, and this organization was for the people who want to build their character, that no institute give this. And I found I just started in Ahmedabad, and there are I don't know how many branches, but if we can find, then we can join there. And this organization teaches us how a person can build their character, and the person aim is Swami Vivekananda, and the tagline is be and make. This word. Be and make.
Be and
The
make.
words of Swami Vivekananda.
Be and make.
Yes.
One. Be and make.
Thank you, ma'am.
Be and make. That's what I told you. Choose anything where your heart is. कोई इस ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन तो कोई साबरमती आश्रम जाए और कभी साइलेंस में जाके समझे उसको ध्यान से. You see, anything is possible today. I was where? There's Sardar Patel's house, no? कहाँ पर है? Yes, I went there. वहाँ पर एक एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन है. 2 साल हुए मैं गई थी, उन्होंने बुलाया था. तो उन्होंने बताया यहाँ सरदार पटेल जी का घर था, साधारण घर. I told them that nothing is more important to me than going there. We went there. I photographed that house and I tweeted it to 1 million people. And I tell you, it had such a great response. People loved receiving it. People are connected. See, you just have to start connecting with each other and see the results. But just value it. Good. Anybody else? Yeah.
Hi ma'am, I'm Parth Shah, UWSD SEM1. I want to tell that today's youth is more confusing and not focused on one thing. They are running after lots and lots of things instead of focusing on what they like.
Right.
So because of this session, I can tell that most of us over here will focus on what we like to do.
Very nice. And innovate.
Yeah.
We need to innovate. देखो हमारे पेटेंट ही नहीं इस देश में, कोई नोबेल ही नहीं है, वो बनाता ही नहीं है कुछ, वो दूसरे की नकली मारता रहता है. We have to become creative, and creativity will come through the self-aware art or बड़े गुरुकुल art. It will come क्योंकि आपकी introspection शुरू हो जाएगी. All right, we have a last question, last feedback. All right, now let's have last 3 questions from you. Let's have your questions. Any more? Thank you for a very nice feedback. Now I feel I'm happy I came here. Thank you very much. It took me a little time, but it's just beautiful now. Okay, 3 questions. Any 3 questions, please? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Aniket Chattika again. My question to you is, what is your opinion on Indian media today? And isn't it politically motivated? And what should we as Indian youth do to get the truth to us?
It's a very difficult question right now. It is disturbing me as well. Which media do I trust right now? And I do find very strong slants in the same news being covered so differently. It's a fact. You see, we also need to know our media is totally by and large into commercial hands. And the ownership, media is also business. So media has become business. Same ethics has to come in the same business. Media is business, but it is not like the BBC. I am a very avid viewer, watcher of the BBC. BBC is business and yet not business. Why? Because it has been funded so well that is strongly independent. और वो आपको बड़ी objectively सारी बात बताता है और आपको sweeping नहीं करता है. कोई स्टोरी उनकी कुछ मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं होती और एक ही स्टोरी सारा दिन नहीं चलती. एक ही दिन नहीं, कई दिन नहीं चलती और एक ही आदमी उस मीडिया पर डोमिनेट नहीं करता. ऐसा नहीं होता. सो इंडिया का मीडिया में मैं समझती हूँ चर्निंग गलती हो रही. और कई तो सरोगेट ओनरशिप हो चुकी, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ओनरशिप हो चुकी है कई स्टेट्स में, जहां मीडिया इज ओन्ड बाय a political party. So it does not cover, give you news which it doesn't suit you. So we are in tough times. इसलिए मैं ये कहूंगी कि आपको अपने दिमाग को अलर्ट रखना है, न्यूज सुननी है, लेकिन अपनी ओपिनियन अपने आप समझदारी से बनानी। मैं यही कह सकती हूँ, क्योंकि मीडिया एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बिजनेस बन चुका है। अब बिजनेस के एथिक्स कईयों के हैं और कईयों के नहीं है, जहां सरोगेट हो चुका है। So I think time will only tell, but be careful and alert and be selective. Next, please. I said 3 questions. Second. Upstairs, a question. One from upstairs. Any girl? Any boy?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Shavik, United World School of Business, second sem. Ma'am, do you really think what is your opinion on the Indian business system, Indian business world rather?
Indian business?
World.
What? World. Sorry. Indian business world.
And ma'am, my second question is.
That's a tough question.
Like related to it. Ma'am, do you really think like the Indian business world is running the Indian political system or the vice versa?
Today it is, to an extent.
Pardon, ma'am?
Today it is gradually driving the political system. Today it is. Because now it's big money. It's big money. Therefore, today I seem to be, because everything is advertisement driven today. When it comes to media. Without money there is no media. Without advertisement there is no newspaper. There is no channel today. So where is the money coming from? Even sport, even IPL is not without corporate world. So even sport needs big money. How many crores for UV? 40 crores. So where is the money coming from? This is business world. So business today is driving policy decisions also, as it is in the world of America. Because it is business, it is big money. Bigger the money, bigger the stake in power. Right? Now what do I think about the Indian business?
Indian business world. Like.
वही तो बचाना है हमको आज तक. It is the Indian business which is saving us today. Not the नौकरी सरकारी, but it is the Indian business जो धंधा करते हैं, काम करते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं, छोटा स्मॉल मीडियम है या बिग है या बेचारा एंटरप्रेन्योर है, वही तो बचा रहा है, वही तो नौकरियां दिला रहा है. I think Indian business is hardworking, self-surviving, generating, and jugaad innovating. I think I would still give full respect to Indian business. Last question. Since you had the chance, so let's give this to the last word to the girl.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
Shikari partner. Actually, I wanted to ask that you are the first woman IPS officer, super cop, reformer, lawyer, doctorate, a tennis champ. Who is your inspiration? You have so many feathers in your cap actually.
You, today at the moment it's you. You, the moment decides the inspiration. Inspiration कोई बाहर नहीं है. Inspiration is within you and immediate in the surrounding. That's what I want you to take a message. You see, when I started to speak to you, you were not inspiring me. But today, right now, you are. You getting the best out of me because you're inspiring me. This is the moment sometimes, is the inspiration. What is within you. But the larger inspiration is basically, let me tell you, alright, and let me tell you the truth. Every one of us has a destiny to leave a legacy behind. Every one of us has a destiny. That's the human gift. Nature has gifted us. Nature has gifted us, each human being, to leave a legacy behind. Which means, how do I want to be remembered? What did I come for? मैं जब जिंदगी यहाँ अभी भी जिंदगी में रहते हुए मेरी लेगेसी क्या है? मेरी लेगेसी एक थी और वो जिंदगी भर चलेगी कि एक दिन ऐसा आए जो सब जिन्हें जाने मेरी मम्मी डैडी का नाम क्या है. This is my legacy. And a film has been made. So many things have happened. I just loved my parents. and I wanted to do everything which would bring joy and sense of pride in their heart. Both have gone, they're not here. After a particular age, parents don't stay with you. But I do know that when I go, whenever I'm mentioned, if I am, it will be called daughter of Prakash and Premlata Pishapi. So they were my inspiration as I was growing up, and they've remained my inspiration. Therefore, many things I do sometimes, remembering them and doing what they would have expected me to do. And I keep doing that, and that is what keeps me going. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. You have shaken us, awoken us to see the finer beauties and necessities as we, the Indians, ma'am. I love your advice on reprioritizing our goals to focus first on health, mind, body, and soul. Thank you for talking to us on generations and nation's most pressing issue, value for health, value for wealth, and value of character. Thank you for also sharing with us the mantras of your success, which I put it now as to be inspired within, be somebody in your life. Aspire to create and leave down the fruits of our labor for our children and thereby pass down this Indian heritage. Prepare for our future actions. Examine them and perspire for them. I'm sure renunciation and illumination will come down us someday. At the end of this vivacious, insightful and powerful session, ma'am, all of us take home gallons of energy, courage and wisdom to utilize our strength and stand up for the truth. It has been a golden opportunity to listen to you, ma'am, and learn from you. We all will cherish this beautiful day. Dr. Kiran Bedi visited United World School of Business.